Hello everyone, this is actually called a ammeter by which we can measure the current. This is a 9-volt battery, this is a small motor, and this is a switch, and this is a wire. Okay, so by doing this setup we can show the student how to measure the current. Okay, current is measured in ampere. So first of all, to measure the current, the ammeter should be connected into the series connection. So first of all, you can see that the battery terminals, one terminal is going inside the ammeter, one terminal is going inside the motor. From the motor you can see that one terminal is going to the switch, and from last that final terminal is coming back to the ammeter. So we can say that this ammeter is connected into the series. Now if I switch on, then I can see that motor is started, and we can see about 0.3 ampere current is passing through this motor. So instead of motor we can change and we can check other devices through which how much current is passing. So this was my experiment to measure the intensity of current. Thank you.